channel Mascara and Muscles. Thank you so much for tuning in. So we are past the second wave of COVID-19 and I think बहुत बड़ी achievement है हमारी country के लिए because we all came together and fought this virus and the second wave is now over and things are much better now. And I had promised in my previous video कि मैं COVID recovery at home पे video बनाऊंगी, but I don't think that is so relevant now. So what is relevant? It's summer time and I'm sure बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो कि summers के time पे जिनके साथ skin problems होती हैं and you don't know how exactly you should take care of your skin. So in this video I'm actually going to cover all aspects of it, how you can take care of your skin during summers, what all face masks you can apply to your face and how you can keep your skin hydrated. So do stay till the end if you want to know all of it, and I hope you enjoyed this video. So without further ado, let's get started. First, I'm going to share with you 5 different types of face masks that you can apply on your face, which will help your skin feel hydrated as well as give you a very cooling effect. And in the end, I'm going to share with you few skincare tips. So stay till the end of the video.
So for the first mask, we're going to take 2 tablespoons of curd, or you can even take yogurt, and then add a small cube of watermelon into it. Now you can squeeze the juice out of this watermelon, or you can also use your hand to do so, and then just remove the pulp of the watermelon. Now if you have this kind of consistency, I would suggest that you add more yogurt or curd into this so that it is not runny and thick enough to be put on your face. Mix it all together and then apply it on your face. So the watermelon keeps your skin cool and the yogurt or the curd keeps your skin soft, and together they are perfect to soothe sunburned skin. Wait for 20 minutes and then wash off. For the second mask, we're going to take 1.5 to 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel, and then we're going to add few drops of lemon juice into this. Now when you start mixing it, just see that the consistency is right. If not, then you can add a little bit of aloe vera gel into this and then mix it again to see if it's runny or thick. While lemon juice effectively removes grease, adding a fresh fragrance to your skin, aloe vera keeps your skin moisturized. So keep this face mask for 20 minutes and then wash off. So for the third face mask, we're going to take 2 tablespoons of multani mitti, and then we're gonna take pudina leaves, that is crushed pudina leaves, and then squeeze its juice into this multani mitti. Now after squeezing the pudina, if you still don't get the right consistency, then add a little bit of rose water into this mixture. Mix it well and see if the thickness is correct so that you can properly apply it on your face. This is the kind of paste consistency that you would want to reach. Because of its cooling properties, mint helps calm irritated skin, while multani mitti will sap away excess oil from your skin. Apply the face mask and wash when it is totally dried. So for the next face mask, we're going to take 2 tablespoons of honey and then just grate cucumber and add the juice of cucumber into this, or you can also add the entire grated cucumber like I have done for the fun of it, so that the face mask is rich with the cucumber goodness, and then mix it well together and reach this consistency. If you are not satisfied, you can add more honey into this mixture. Your skin will love the cooling effects of cucumber and the moisturizing property of honey. And trust me, you will love the smell of it as well. So once it is dried, you can wash off after 30 minutes. So for the last face mask, we're going to take 1 tablespoon of sandalwood powder, and then we're going to add rose water into this mixture. Now you can adjust the rose water accordingly. So you again want to reach a good paste kind of consistency and not a runny one. So avoid adding a lot of rose water into this. Mix it all together, and this is the consistency that you might want to achieve. So sandalwood had been an age-old Indian remedy for cooling skin and bringing a glow to it, and rose water has refreshing qualities. This is great if you have a dull skin, and just like the Multani Mitti face mask, once it is dried, just wash it off.
So now it's time for the skincare tips. So the first tip and the most important one, I think, is use sunscreen.
Wearing sunscreen every day is a crucial part of your skincare routine, and without it you are just exposing your sensitive skin to the harmful UV rays of the sun. Even if you are at home, you are still exposed to the sun, so make sure that you are applying your sunscreen every day.
Second tip is apply ice cubes on your face.
Rubbing ice cube on your skin helps to heal your skin. It also makes your skin glowing, reduces puffy eyes, eliminates dark circles, and the list keeps going on.
Third tip is exfoliate your skin regularly.
Exfoliating your skin unclogs your pores. It also prevents acne, it evens your skin tone, and it removes the dead skin cells on your face.
Last tip, and I think I cannot emphasize enough on this point, keep yourself hydrated and your skin will actually naturally glow all the time.
Trust me, this is the secret for all the celebrities as well. Drinking water flushes away all the toxins, maintains the pH balance of your skin, and basically you get a very beautiful skin naturally.
So guys, that's it for today's video. Let me know which is your favorite face mask or what was your favorite skincare tip. And if you're watching me for the first time, then hi. My name is Shruti and I make videos about beauty, fitness, lifestyle and spirituality. If you like my videos and like my content, do go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me to reach out to more and more people. And if this video helped you, then do not forget to give it a thumbs up, like this video and comment below. So I'll see you all in my next video, and if you have any suggestions for the upcoming videos on my YouTube channel, then do let me know in the comments below. Until then, take care of your skin, stay hydrated and be safe. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I'll see you in my next one.